Ace in the summer, smoking. Take it 22 steel, hardcore, get down, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, ta-ta-ta. Man, this old antique transmitter in the bluegrass getting down.
Bullshit.
That old antique transmitter working for you.
Who that is with that old antique transmitter? Who that is with that old antique transmitter? For the warning, I don't know how it knows.
Oh, 31. 831. You know who it is with this old antique transmitter, Cat Mickey. Top of the day to you, man, in 2026. Me and this great big transmitter and this 20-footer getting down.
Superman. Hey, Superman. Boy, when it's not clear, Cat Nigga, you get that loud pound my deal. Hello, Superman. Superman 31 in Omaha is right back.
What to say in Valentine's week, bud?
Superman gonna make me take his cake. 831. Superman gonna make me take his cake. 31, this 20-footer in the bluegrass getting down.
Hey, Superman, I appreciate the playback, man. I sound real good. Hey, Superman, well, you sound just as good as that, man. Just thought you ought to know. Superman and Mo Superman, Mr. Worldwide 31 in Omaha. I'll see ya.
Mo 10, 22 still. I'm listening to your talk show, because, man, you got the hammer down. And you in that pocket right behind you, though, in Ohio. Toward Michigan.
Hey, Superman, and I want to thank you, too. Hey, Superman, and I want to thank you, too. Bump it on you later, Superman. Mr. Worldwide 31 is gone. I'll see ya.
Probably too late to call Rico in Virginia, but I'm going to call you anyway. Hey, Rico? Hey, Rico in Virginia.
26 stepping to the side, and I'm...
No, 31, 25 on the backside. Good contact. Hey, Superman, good contact. Superman and Mo Superman. The caretaker tombstone. Mr. Worldwide 31 is gone.
Rico. Hey, Rico in Virginia, man, I was hearing you bumping it down. I thought maybe it was too late to get into your radio. Hey, Rico, around Virginia.
If I forget who you is, I'll go to Channel 20 and look for that mud duck. You said you the mud duck from Channel 20. That's what you said. Superman and Mo Superman. 31 said, you the mud duck for Channel 20. I'll see ya.
Get down.
831. Can I ride in there with that duck plucker? 831. Can I ride in there with that duck plucker? I'm getting down.
Not just any mud duck.
Hey, Rico.
The attitude. Hey, Superman, there's a bunch of mud ducks out there, but Superman, you the mud duck with the attitude from Channel 20. Superman 31 is gone. I'll see ya.
Where they at? They coming out of that there, what's the name of that state where they have all them, the Kentucky Derby state? That guy in the Kentucky Derby state, man, he just jumped up in there wanting to ride with you. He must be thinking of horses. Hello to you, Rico. Hello to you, the guy in the Kentucky Derby state.
No, I was just trying to ride with Superman. I was trying to ride with Superman. That duck plucker got 31's ears, man, but I can't get into 31's radio. Hey, Moonlighter, I was trying to ride with that other cat nigga up in 31's radio, but I can't get his radio. I'm gone.
Yeah, you can, man. You start trying to ride with Superman, Captain, you ride by yourself. You ride by yourself. What's going on? Hey, P, what's going on? 31 right back.
Derby state.
Well, I tell you what, Superman probably stood down. That's why I heard you, why you heard me. He probably stood down, but that duck plucker probably ain't standing down now, 31. 2026, Captain Bigger. First time I got to speak on you. If you got a copy, this Great Big Johnson getting down.
Sure, you're right, man. This is the first time in 2026, my friend. I hope everything's swelling well on your end. Hey, Master P, I hope everything be swell and well on your end. Master P, working at Johnson 31 in Omaha, right back.
Yeah, 410 on that, man. But I know they're going to fire on me on this Johnson, man, so I'm going to get my hat and scat and wish you well on that, Captain Big and hope it be real good to you. Hope 2026 be real good to you, no doubt about it. Hey, 31, your little brother in the bluegrass with the high five, getting down.
Likewise, my friend. I hope 2026 be good to you also, my friend. That's what y'all niggas hope to see your face in the police. My CB friend, through thick and thin, Master P, 31 is gone. I'll see ya.
Real good copy. All right, man, I'm ease on back, and I appreciate the time we had. 8:31 until we can do it again. This Great Big Johnson. And it's 20-foot quad in the bluegrass, and it's snowing over this duck plucker, man. Man, we had some thunder snow about an hour and a half ago. It was thundering and lightning over here, and damn snowflakes coming down like $4. 8:31, if you got a copy, I'm getting down right there. Come on.
Did you say snow? Hey, Master P, did you say snow? Oh my goodness, I don't know what that look like. Hey, Master P, man, we done had cold, but we ain't had no snow. So I don't know what that look like, Master P, 31 right back.
It's what you call thunder snow. It was thundering and lightning, man. About 4 o'clock. Yeah, about 4:15, man. Captain Megan, I heard all this cracking and bumping and stuff, man. Went outside and looked. It's thundering and lightning, man. But the damn snow was coming down about the size of $4 to break.
Hey, Master P, boy, don't get I'm thinking trying to make it rough on you. Oh, Superman talking about hitting you upside the head with an ashtray. You better watch that, Captain Mega. Hey, Master P, boy, it's getting thick as thieves. Man, I'm pulling back on this end. Master P, 31, click, click, I'll see ya.
I told you I was on that boat anchor. You tell Superman I'll take his damn cape, he ain't curled for that break.
Hey, P, you should tell that damn Superman he better be careful for you steal his cape and he won't be able to fly no more. Hey, P, don't take that man's cape. Don't do it. We South Sydney, get down.
I ain't gonna keep it. I'm only gonna keep it for 3 days. I'm gonna give it back to him, 31. I'm only gonna keep it for 3 days. I see you.
Hey, Master P, I'm gonna roll it like you told it. You told me tell Superman you gonna take his cape and you gonna keep it, but you gonna keep it for 3 days and then you'll give it back. So 3 days, that Captain Mickey won't be able to have his cape. That's what you say at 31 is gone. I'll see ya.
But the only thing is, he's my friend, man. So I ain't gonna keep it. Now, if he wasn't my friend, I'd keep that Captain and take it and I'll fly around my damn self all the time. But I'm gonna give it back after 3 days. I'm gone.
Hey, P, you said just because he's your friend. That's the only reason why you ain't gonna keep it. Because otherwise, you take that cape, put it on, and fly yourself. But since he's your friend, you gonna keep it for 3 days, and then you gonna give it back. Master P, you got my radio.
I'm ease on back, man. I'm ease out the way. Tell our friend I said hello when you get a chance to talk to that duck plucker. Tell old Habit I said hello on that Captain Big and N. Hey, Worldwide 31, this Great Big Johnson got down and gone.
Right, P. That got me eased up in there. He said he ain't gonna let you keep his cape. He trying you, man. Hey, P, you better watch him. Cape or no cape, that Cal nigga still trying. Bump it on you later, Master P. Superman and more Superman till the war is gone.
Well, I'll just take it for 3 days. I know I ain't gonna keep it, but I'm gonna just take it for 3 days. Tell Superman I will keep that cat nigga for 3 days because he can't fly without that cape. Bye.
So TFP, let him know you only gonna keep it for 3 days. So that means he stands a chance. The only way he won't stand a chance is if you keep that Captain Mega. Put it on your radar, Master P, till the war is gone.
Yeah, 410. Alright, I'm gonna ease on back. That cat nigga drugged me the other day, man. I tried to take his cape the other day, but he drugged my ass. Put it on you later, 31. The 20-footer got down and gone.
And that 20-footer be styling and profiling. Hey, Master P, you got that 20-footer styling and profiling like some gators. That's a Captain Mega show. Put it on your leader, Master P. 31 is gone. I'll see ya.
Click, click. Bum, bum. 31, 31. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 9-4 in love, country light switching the black gold. Hello, 9-4, love, country light switch, black gold, 7 out. You're right, 9-4, you're about to sound the world of sound, man. It's talking in the black gold, show you. Hello, wow, 9-4. Old light switching to the antique college in the gold, 7 out.
Yo, 9-4, I heard you, man. I had to step away for a minute, see what the sweet thing wanted in the kitchen. 9-4, 31 is gone.
There go, you said it already. Get the light on, my friend. No, okay, black gold, 7 out.
With the dry shell around the gold is gone.
Hey, Rico.
Talking to JT Rico. Rico, the Love Country 31 in Omaha. I'll see ya.
Around the gold, goddamn.
Hey, that black gold coming up in this 20-footer.
Hey, Superman, everybody ask you know when you sit down and be quiet, that nigga, hey, Superman, don't get no doubt.
Tell you, Rico, mighty fine, mighty kind. I heard your radio and I heard you, Superman. And I heard Nighthawk in Virginia. Bump it on y'all later, but the war is gone. I'll see ya.
Hey, light switch break.
Right back to you, Nighthawk.
Hey, light switch breaker.
Nighthawk in the Love. Superman, 31, stepping out. I'll see ya.
Don't get back on light switch. I'm back out.
I'll come out in here. I heard you then. You said you was talking to the light switch in the gold. But I must have been having your radio there, 410. And I heard your radio. Hey, 9-4, 31 said I heard your radio. 9-4 in the Love, 31 is gone.
Hello, Nighthawk. Hello, Nighthawk, love.
And I appreciate the key. Way up in the QSO, 9-4 in the love, Mr. Worldwide, 31 is gone. Hey, Superman, I can't help myself. Hey, Superman, I can't help myself. Superman, 31 is gone.
I told you I got his cape, he ain't gonna be able to fly. Tell him I got his cape and he ain't gonna be able to fly for 3 days.
Hey, Nighthawk, him can't hear you, 'cause I just cut him off at the pass, and I got his cape. Nighthawk in the love, 31 is gone.
Hey, good news at the same time. Shake is right back. Come here.
You tell niggas I ain't got you.
You try to take my cue, so I take your cape. Hey, Superman, try to take my cue, so I take your cape. 31 is gone.
I'm gonna take his cape, Cat Nigga. You can have it next week. You can have it Saturday. I'll give it to you Saturday, 31. I'm gone.
Superman, you know Mother Nature works like that.
What's going on, brother? Hey, Fuji.
I got it all 'cause you said it all. Superman, 31, click, click, clickety click.
You can get it next week, man. I got it for 3 days, though, Plucker. Hey, tell Superman I got it for 3 days. You can have it Saturday. I see.
You got it for 3 days, and he can have it back on Saturday. Hey, Master P, you said tell Superman you got it for 3 days, and he can have it on Saturday. I'll see ya.
No, you said you gonna take his cape too. Remember, you just said that. But I'm gonna give it to you on Saturday, and you keep it how long you want to keep it that break.
Hey, P. Oh, Superman said you keep it for 3 days. That's rental. He gonna get a real price for that. That's what he said. P, watch him. 31 is gone.
I'll give him some apples. I'll give him 3 apples, 1 for each day. 3 apples, 831. I'm getting out.
Boy, y'all running neck and neck in my radio. Hey, Master P. Hey, Superman. Y'all running neck and neck. 31 is gone.
I'm only gonna pay 3 apples. 3 apples, 1 for each day. 831. Tell him I'm gonna give him 3 apples for that rental I'm getting down.
Oh, dear, Superman. If y'all running neck and neck, you don't want to break that man's neck. That's what you said. Superman, I don't think you're going to get your cape back.
3 apples. I'm gonna give him 3 apples. Tell Superman I'm gonna give him 3 apples. 831. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Master P. Hey, P, 31, I'm stepping to the left. I'm stepping to the left while the rest of them step to the right. I'll see you.
010. Tell old Superman I say good job, man. That's a bad duck plucker, man. 831. That's a bad duck plucker. I see.
Likewise, man. You said that's a bad cat bigger. I don't know if you was talking about Superman or you was talking about me. I hope you was talking about him because he got the cape. Hey, P, 31 is gone.
Yeah, I was talking about both of you. 31, you too. You're a bad duck plucker. Superman's a super bad duck plucker that break.
You know, I'm being super bad too. Hence the S on his chest. Master P, click, I'll see ya.
010, let me get my ashtray in here. Me and the wife is supposed to watch some movies tonight. We're gonna watch a couple movies on that Cat Big N. 31, have a good day, man. Rest of the night. And 2026, hope it be real good to you. Me and this 20-footer with that 5. Got down, I see you.
Bye, Master P. Bumping on you later. You and old Superman's got my radio on lock. Somebody give me my radio back. 31, click, click, bag out.
Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. The 31, Nebraska, the 20-footer, Louisville, got down and gone.
And I heard you when you got down and gone. And I heard you when you got down and gone. I'll see ya.
Hey, Master P, can I wait before you go to the movies? Hello, Master P. Light switching the gold is getting down.
Yeah, what's up, man? Why you coming in my side door, dope plugger? I tried to call you earlier. Hey, light switch, good evening to you. I'm getting down.
Tempo, I want to bump it down before you get out of there. Show me.
Lights on. Lights off.
Getting on down.
Lights off. 31 is gone.
Hey, light switch, can you hear this old transmitter? I done came around to you. I'm looking at you now. Light switch break.
Yeah, nigga, you fell off when you looked at me. Hey, Master P, you fell off when you looked at me, cat nigga. I just want to bump it down and wave my hand and say good evening to ya. Master P, light switch on these old antique collars and get no doubt.
Yeah, I'm just working this Johnson right now. That's 110 watts, though. 110 watt Johnson looking at you right now, breaker.
I know what you on, but I'm telling you what, I'm on my old antique collars, cat nigga. I know you on your Johnson, but I'm on my old antique collars, that Tempo.
Yeah, 410. Yeah, well, they let you know your antenna's working. You on that Captain Biggin Collins, man, and I'm on this Johnson. And you said I fell down, it's cause I just went down on the Johnson. That's what I was telling you, it's 110 watts looking at you getting down.
Oh, you want to spray my damn ear, you want to pump up talk to somebody else, but you want to spray my ear, you know, you Captain Biggin on that one.
Who did you take care? Hey, 31.
I apologize. I thought I could talk to you like that. I thought you had some good ears, good receive, though, plucker. Bye.
And my receiver ain't got nothing to do with you dropping down in my radio, you mud cat nigga. Hey, Master P, I'm going, bye.
It ought to came up a little bit. That should be up in your radio real good right there, that break.
Oh, you up in there now, cat nigga? You want to come around here and talk on 10 watts, make me strain my ear while you bumping it down with everybody else. You know, ain't gonna no knuckle. I'm back right.
Get you some damn Energizer batteries to put in them damn hearing aids you got. Put you some damn Energizer bunny batteries in that damn hearing aid you got.
Cat nigga, I got some Duracell. They last a long time. I got some dang gum Duracell. You get your name to read.
410, alright, man. Top of the evening time to you. A worldwide light switch in the gold, the 20-footer, Louisville, getting down.
Tempo. Hey, Master P, on that 20-footer. Oh, light switch on this over 18 Collins around the Badlands of Oklahoma. Getting no doubt.
410, that'll make you strain your ears again. Me and this great big Johnson got down.
Tempo, I see you. Bye.
Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu, checking in. Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Hello, Mod Squad. Boy, it's been a long time since I talked to you. Hey, Mod Squad, Master P with the bluegrass wave getting down.
Hey, Superman, get your regular ass out of my radio. Superman, I'm going.
Bye, Mod Squad. Damn light switch got my ears talking to Superman. Mod Squad, Master P with the 5 got down and go.
Hear my driver? Jesus in Alabama. Mr. Worldwide, back out.
I think I heard 61. I think I heard that dope plug. But if I didn't, charge it to the head. 861, I'm getting down.
You ain't heard no mud runner, I'm back quiet.
Man, get your fat heels a clicking, duck plucker. I'm getting out of here. Bye. I'm 10-7.
Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up and go on to something. Hurry up and go and watch the movie, you mud runner.
What they do, Crab shooter, 6-1 in the plane got down.
I did hear 61. I just couldn't get him coming back to me. But I did hear 61. Bye.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, losing it. You think about you need to go and watch that movie with the better half. Put that microphone down. I'm going to get my email from Texas.
She said I had till 9 o'clock. I could talk all I wanted till 9 o'clock, but 9 o'clock the lights out.
Well, you go and watch it. What do you call it? You just go in there and watch that. You just need to watch the introduction. You know what you need to watch. I'm going.
Now, what movie was that? What introduction? What movie?
Hey, that's what you go to watch the movie. That introduction, you need to watch the introduction till the movie come on.
Put a warning on my home.
Nah, mess it up, plucker. No, I ain't doing that. I'll go in there at 9 o'clock. I'll be ready to watch the movie then. I don't like watching movies. I fall asleep.
Well, you ain't going there and take a nap then. If you don't like watching, you go to sleep. That's probably what you need to do. You go take a nap. I'm going.
I got lips.
Oh, 10. All right. But I got one more test to do.
Get in right back. Mr. Godfather. Old light switch in the Badlands, Oklahoma. Go.
Tell Mr. Godfather I said hello. Tell him I said hello. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey, Godfather, get the light on, my friend. Man, there's no MC college around the black gold. Getting on down.
You gonna plug my ears now. I'll pay you back. I'll pay you back. They'll plug a bye.
Yeah, okay, you gonna pay me back. I'm gonna go.
Hey, Mr. Daytona, young buck out on the mail. Copy, round Jordan is 25 in Kansas. Smoky Hill, 305 Tennessee, 6-1 Oklahoma, baby. You still feel that? Hey, 305 Tennessee, 6-1 Oklahoma, 305, baby.
Oh, ta-ta-ta-ta. Hello.
By you. 6-1 in Oklahoma, baby.
Mr. Godfather just walked away. Old light switch in the Badlands, Oklahoma. Give me.
Okay, my radio. When I get out the mall, somebody else in my radio.
That's cause you ain't holding your head right. 861, you ain't holding your head right. You gotta tilt it to the left. Tilt your head to the left and they'll come back.
Yeah, there's more right out there now. Got some more right out there trying to talk skip. There's some more right out there trying to talk skip. I'm back quiet.
You a messy duck plucker. You a messy duck plucker. Light switch. I'm 10-7.
Mr. Godfather, get the lay on, Captain. Get the lay down. Oh, light switch and it goes. Rock it on. Hello. Hey, Mr. Godfather, lights out. I'm going. Bye. Hello, right back, my friend. It is the traffic control. Good evening to you. Traffic, lights on, get down. How about you? Hey, traffic control, I appreciate you taking out time out of your busy schedule, man, to wave your hand. Hey, traffic control, don't light switch around the Badlands of Oklahoma. Don't. Tenfold. Mr. Traffic Control, I'm getting no down, mate. Hello, right back, my man. Let me do it. Jammer, bang, bang, bang.
Georgia, 25 in Kansas City. Bang, bang.
Tenfold, I appreciate you taking out your time out of your busy schedule too, Captain Bigger, no doubt about it. Just later, we'll jammer. No light switching, no Oklahoma. Go.
Yeah, come on now. Come in. Hey, man, come in. Hey, man, come in. 25.
No, he ain't out there. He left. He had to go drink some coffee. He had to go to the bathroom. I see you. Bye. Now, anyway, he peed on his shoe. He peed on his shoe. I see you.
I'm speaking right back. He's up out of the way. Put it real. 25. In Kansas City, I got him.
Hey, you gotta give him a new one. If he do, I'm going.
Hey, but you know what, though? I like that, and I agree with it.
Hey, bye.